Welcome back to the channel. This is part 7, and in part 6, if you watched, I completed the fairing process of sanding, block planing, and filling all the gaps of the hull. This part 7, is going to take you through the process of doing a seal coat on the hull, which was an epoxy mix with cedar flour, just to give it a little tint. So that was rolled on and then squeegeed off all of the excess. So it allowed the cedar to absorb that epoxy and create a nice bond. Following that seal coat process, the whole entire hull was sanded and in preparation for the fiberglass, which behind me now, right, what you see is the first fill coat with the fiberglass actually laid on the hull. So this part 7 is going to take you through all these steps. It's been about a week and a half worth of work or longer. It's been a lot of broken time with all the craziness going on in this world right now. So there's been some disruptions at work and what else. So I get down here when I can, and part 7 is just going to be a full, it's going to take you through the entire fiberglassing process from the seal coat to the first fill coat. I think then I will stop that video at that point, because I'm not going to keep showing the epoxy filling, because 2 additional coats are required in order to complete the exterior of the hull. And then I will flip the Canoe and put it in a saddle arrangement, so actually flipping it right over, because then I need to repeat the process entirely on the inside, starting with sanding, filling, and everything that I've taken you through to this point. So this is curing right now. There's nothing more I can do. So enjoy part 7. It's a short video, and hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you.